Good afternoon. Welcome back to Maurer Real Estate. Today, we're going to talk about attorneys and your real estate transactions. So, different parts of the country use attorneys on every single thing, and it's usually more connected to the bigger cities. Other parts of the country, heck, you move in before you sign a real estate contract. So, there's different levels of attorneys and attorney use. At Maurer Real Estate, our agents have a piece of paper, and we talk about tax advisors, attorneys, inspectors, surveyors, and environmental experts. And we ask you, if you have an attorney, you initial here, your attorney's forwarded the documents. If you don't have one, we can recommend one. Or if today at this point in time you don't have an attorney, we mark down here at the bottom. So people say, gee, do I need an attorney? Well, the short answer is yes. The real answer is probably, maybe not, maybe. I recommend attorneys in a lot of particular cases. I've seen attorneys save deals that the littlest details overlooked. They coordinate and handle a lot of things. They go through the documents at the closing. And just like real estate people or people at the checkout counter, I mean, you got good ones and bad ones. So should you have an attorney? Yes. They can overcome title issues, they can write legal letters for you, and all that's pretty much included in the price. Now, there's some really great attorneys here in Rockford. I have a list of them here. If you guys would like that list, give us a call at 977-7411 and get you hooked up. So what does the attorney do? So once the contract is signed, we send the contract to the attorney. They review it. So in the contract, there's attorneys, it's called attorney's approval, but the words say attorney's disapproval. So the attorney looks at it and says, well, I disapprove of this contract, this message. And so they disapprove of the contract, and then a lot of times they'll make their own bullet point sheet of things that they want taken care of or questions that they want answered. And we forward that to the other agent, the other attorney, the other client, whomever's acting for that other customer. And we work through those items. Attorneys are nice if you're a real estate agent, because basically you step aside, and what your normal responsibilities are, the attorney takes care of. There's the other side of that coin too. A lot of times you don't know really what's going on with the contract, but the attorneys, if it's a real estate attorney, they're on the stick. So in Maurer Real Estate, we do recommend attorneys. Everybody gets to make their own decision on that. Again, call us up for a list of attorneys in your real estate transaction. 815-977-7411. If we don't answer, leave a message. Over and out.